In the heart of every efficient workshop lies a foundation of precision and reliability. At Totalkare, we specialize in creating workshop environments that elevate performance and productivity. With over 40 years of expertise, Totalkare offers comprehensive workshop fit-out services tailored to your exact needs. It all begins with meticulous site surveys, ensuring every detail is considered. Our full design consultancy transforms concepts into reality, optimizing workflow and space utilization. From initial planning to final execution, Totalkare ensures your vision becomes a seamless reality. Civil works are managed in-house, guaranteeing timely and precise execution. Our team handles everything from groundwork to resin flooring, providing a robust foundation for your workshop's operational needs. Equip your workshop with the best. Totalkare delivers and installs a wide range of equipment, including vehicle pits, brake testers, lifts both fixed and mobile, tire changers, wheel alignment systems, and more. Our commitment doesn't end with installation. Totalkare offers ongoing service support to keep your workshop running smoothly, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Contact us today to discuss your future workshop requirements.